This 2023 Jayco Alante 27A is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Jayco is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a white cabinets and dark tan furniture interior, sleeps 6, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, external shower, TV antenna, oven, microwave, water heater, self-contained, Skylight, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Jayco Alante 27A is built on a Ford F53 18000 lbs chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V8 7.3 L 350 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.